How to delete your Spotify history or how to delete your recently played list on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnat and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Spotify history or recently played list. Now, if you know or if you have checked in, then there is no any option to particularly delete your recently played list. However, there is a quick trick on how you can remove it. Simply you want to open up your Spotify, either the application or if you're on your PC, then you want to head into your profile. In this case here at the top left corner you can see the B there, that's the profile icon, that's my profile. As you can see, you want to head into your profile. Under it here you want to simply tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and you'll get the logout option. You want to simply tap on logout and you want to log out of your account and then log in back again. Now, logging out of your account removes the recently played list from your account on the application as well as your browser. So this way you can delete your Spotify history. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.